Hi everyone, today we're going to be making eggless carrot muffins, and before we get started, turn your oven on to 180 degrees Celsius. First we're going to take half a cup of sugar, then we're going to be putting in half a cup of milk powder. It can be any milk powder. Then we're going to take half a cup of plain yogurt. We're going to be taking half a cup of oil. And we're going to be mixing in 1 cup of grated carrots. We're going to be mixing in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, so let's mix this all together. We are going to be adding in half a teaspoon of baking soda, two teaspoons of baking powder, we are going to be using 1 cup of flour, plain flour, and about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And lastly, we're going to be adding in a good pinch of salt. So for this, we don't need just of the dry ingredients. We just mix into the wet ingredients until it's all combined. If it is very thick like this, we can add in quarter cup of milk, so that the dough is more workable. Okay, we're done. Now we're going to fill our, we're going to fill our 12 cupcake liners. So half of these cupcakes are for my baby. He is going to be 2 in a few months' time. And half of these are going to be for myself and my older son, who's 13. So apart from this, what I am going to add for myself and my older son is a 1/4 cup of chopped almonds. You can also add in raisins if you want as well. So these are my cupcakes done. I'm going to put them in the oven now, 25 minutes.